think I was really impressed by the nature. We came straight from Shanghai, so it was very industrial. I was itching to be with nature and I was itching to be where the pottery was. So my first impression was, yes, finally.
I noticed that the life here is very peaceful because people are just chilling here, and there are lots of retirement people and young people who are very excited about making ceramics here. So I'm very excited about this trip.
When I was a student, I'd seen so many images of Jingdezhen and clay in a way that I thought I understood how to work in ceramics before, but I realized when I came here there's thousands of years of history and wisdom that I really wanted to connect with. And so invite the kind of expertise of other makers and people who have been working specifically in porcelain. So I'm really grateful to have this chance to come with a group of students and experience the material and the ways of making in ways that otherwise would not be possible.
我觉得这一次更多是一次艺术的学习之旅。我并不是一个艺术系的学生，然后这是我第一次去动手去操作。当我看到一些在这个领域已经工作很久的一些前辈，不仅仅把艺术本身留给艺术，并且与你的生活相结合，以至于甚至就是拉一个简简单单的坯，这些东西都是很具有挑战性的。然后我也很开心能够去挑战这些事情，虽然不一定是成功的，但是挑战的过程一定是非常有意义的。
I'm most excited to learn more from the artists here, the local artists, and also like some of the artists that came here. Learn about like what they've learned from living in here, how their practice has changed in Jingdezhen, and also like taking in like what they have to say and like applying it to myself, like doing art here.
I would just say grateful for the opportunity, just because it's not often that people can come. Is the origin place for very specific technique and style that was like really desired across the world, both from like an art history perspective and from a contemporary one. I think is an opportunity that not a lot of people get, so I'm really excited for it and grateful for it.
I've seen masterpiece works done in like little shops on the side of the road, and I was not expecting that level of talent. Like the amount of effort, the time, the way that people do this their entire lives is something that is very jarring to me, but it's also very inspiring.
I'm super excited about the hands-on workshops because in my undergrad, I majored in interactive media arts, which I do a lot of digital art projects. But this time I had the precious opportunity to do hands-on workshops. It was so difficult, I cannot control that clay, and I think this is a really precious experience for me, especially having this unique opportunity to interact with other art students who majored in studio arts and fine arts. I learned a lot from them and how they interact with the materials to make their own artwork.
I'm gonna carry the lifestyle that I learned in this trip, which is really focusing on my craft as implement throughout my life. I really want to use what I learned during this trip and put it in every aspect of my life. I'm most excited learning about the lifestyle in Jingdezhen and how people contribute their practice into their lives.
I think the most impressive thing about Jingdezhen has just been seeing everyone working within the context of their own work and the work of their community. And it's incredible to see the immediate person who's doing it to product and seeing them all in relation to each other, all of the shops in relation to each other. There are more things to learn in ceramics than I ever thought could exist, and I'm so excited to just keep learning, yeah.